Are you torn between Cursor AI and Codeium? Let's break it down. In today's video, we'll compare these two popular coding tools. They both help developers write code faster and more efficiently. But which one is right for you? Cursor AI is designed to assist with code completion and suggestions. It learns from your coding style and adapts to your preferences. This makes it easier to write code without constant interruptions. It's like having a coding buddy by your side. On the other hand, Codium focuses on providing instant code suggestions and documentation. It aims to help you find the right functions and libraries quickly. This can save you a lot of time when you're working on complex projects. Now, let's look at the key differences. Cursor AI is more personalized. It learns as you code. Codium, however, is more about speed and efficiency. It gives you quick access to information without needing to learn your style. When it comes to features, both tools offer code suggestions. Cursor AI shines with its learning capabilities. Codium stands out with its extensive documentation support. Depending on what you need, one might be better than the other. Pricing is also different. Cursor AI usually has a subscription model, while Codium may offer a free version with limited features. This can be a deciding factor if you are on a budget. So, who should choose what? If you want a tool that grows with you, go for Cursor AI. If you need quick answers and fast coding, Codium is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech insights.